Hi everybody, Tim here, the owner, co-owner of Adnosaur. I will just show you how you can use Adnosaur to do your product research, to find winning fashion products, and yeah, to actually get them listed directly in your store with a custom product page. We start with the main way, then we go to the home page. We look at the handpicked bestsellers and why they are handpicked just for you. And then we also go over how to find brands, which is actually a small Easter egg, and it's not so easy as it seems like. So let's find a product that's not so obvious. So I found one that I actually like, and this is this product. 2 ads that are having quite a lot of impressions, reach, and yeah, an estimated spend, which is also decent. Both of the same product. What I did also is I added a filter here. You can add a lot of filters to play around with it of creative type, because I like to work with images, so I like to research on images. So if you find something like this, you can see ad details, you can see the whole ad here, you can go to the ads library to see the ad, you can push the product to Shopify. This will push the complete product page of these guys to your Shopify. It will be a copy, so you have to make some changes, otherwise it won't be okay to do that. You will click on AliExpress, you will find the AliExpress product, which where you're actually getting it. So that's one way to find your suppliers. You can click on Magic Push also. We'll go into depth about that later. First, if you find an ad that looks well, you go to the view product data. And we do that because we want to see, is this the best ad for this product? Are there other stores selling the product? Everything. You can see all stores here that we have found that are selling this product. What I normally do is I sort the stores by most impressions to see which stores are actually doing the best, which are actually the 2 we found. And what I will do is I check their product URL on how they look like. This is what you can exactly copy. You won't copy their custom apps. Nice one, AI generated, but you will copy their description, their images in the description, etc. And the same one here, also AI generated nicely. But yeah, you can fully copy this. I think they're from the same owner, to be honest. Yeah, almost sure. Okay, and that doesn't matter. Also a Dutch store, and yeah, the other stores are not running that well. So what can we see? It's not really saturated in any country yet. It's also not a big winning product, let's be honest about that. It can maybe do a little bit of sales, but it won't be huge, most likely. You can push it to the store by directly clicking on this one. It will copy the product page. So if you push this, it will copy this product page, etc. You will go to the ads library, see only these product ads, and go to the product, which we did. And then you can do a magic push, which we go more into depth about later. But basically you can select your store, you can apply, and it pushes this product with the custom template you set under page template. It will push this automatically. And this is a template I use. So you can check that out, but it will basically push it the way you want. You can check and change the prompts here. We use one of the most advanced AI models in the backend to do this, not a cheap one like some of our competitions. This will make it a little bit more expensive, but it will make sure you actually get some really nice product pages. Yeah, you have a lot of settings for each of these different type of paragraphs, bullet points. You can change the order. You can add new things to your product page, and it will this is how they will build your product page. Check one last thing. This is the product. We go to the Facebook ads, and we can easily check to sort by most impressions which ads are actually doing the best in the EU. You can see multiple creatives here. Some creatives are still loading. So all AI generated, so it's really easy to make something like this. It's also really easy to just use this. I would use one with a person in there, because you see most of them look really good, and then maybe do a variation on this, maybe different color also. How do we do this? We go to the see ad details. If you just want to copy it, download ad image. If you like the page of, for example, this brand as a basis for yours, use Magic Push. If you just want to copy it fully, use Push to Shopify. Magic Push will also translate it to your own country, and it will just keep the template. And this is how you can actually research a product and launch it within 10 minutes. Let's go to the homepage to see some extra handpicked bestsellers. You can put your preference for the bestsellers here. It will actually look for countries next to the Netherlands, neighboring countries, to see what's working well there. And then see what's not working well yet in your country, because it's not saturated. Not a lot of people are selling it there yet. And it will make a list out of that, which is this list now. If you put your own niches here, you will only see products in your own niche. Other than that, some nice features to show you. We have favorites. You can add stores to favorites, and we have a standard filter here that only show ads from your favorite stores. So if you have a few stores you really like, you can do product research that way, see what new ads they launched. And then a small Easter egg. If you want to find brands, be it fashion only or not, filter on less than 5 products and see most active ads. This means most brands have a few products that really scale. They do a lot of ads and a lot of creatives on those. And this can be really interesting to see for you to sell it as dropshipping, because there's a lot of content of it and you can repurpose that. Of course, you have to be careful with that because it's not your content. But in the end, it's a nice starting point. So these, for example, 130 plus active ads, only one product. I think this is a supplement. This is yerba tea, and this is one of these kind of slippers that are doing really well. So you can basically see the branded stores and how they are doing it. Really interesting to see that of something that easy like slippers, they make a full brand just because their creatives are so good, and you can really learn a lot from that. Let's see this one. This is. But yeah, you can do a lot of brand research like this and yeah, learn a lot about that. That's it. If you have any questions, we're always open to start a WhatsApp message, do a short call. We're happy to help, and yeah, let us know if you like it.